in Scratch and Tame. First, collect 1 million money and go to Lassos. Go to building and buy the trade machine. Then put the trade machine on your pen.
Ayun, ma-afford ko na.
And
May trade machine na.
with your lasso, catch an
Build. Inventory. Dito yung trade ko.
if you have me.
Paano to i-rotate mo to? Paano i-rotate? Paano i-rotate?
Keep your
Tapos anong gagawin ko dito?
feed them to level 10. You want to do this? Collect your money, 1 million.
Mucho. Ilang percent yun? Sabog yan pagka ano? Ilan?
Po,
Ilang percent po?
29 po.
O di pa mo na-charge. Huwag yung laruin pag nag-charge.
Tanggalin ko po.
Oo, tanggalin mo na. Pag 15 na, i-charge mo na.
Okay guys.
Sila
Start.
pahiya.
Okay lang yun. Guys, start na. And this, you collect your money. Food. Like 10 level.
Tapos na to, level 10 na siya.
Tingnan mo yung level. Tingnan mo yung level.
Hindi yan.
Ayan yung pig. Level 7 pa lang.
Ano ba
Okay.
yan? Ayoko na.
Yuli. Wait lang guys. Part 2 na lang.